everyone, Megan from Lionel here, and today I get to introduce to you the Polar Express Ready to Play set. This set has everything you need to get started and is so simple to set up. Included in your set is a durable plastic battery operated locomotive and tender, and 2 Polar Express passenger cars that look very similar to the ones you see in the movie. It also comes with this easy handheld remote with reverse and forward operation, bell, whistle, and user announcement buttons. You also get 24 pieces of curved track and 8 straights. This gives you 3 different layouts you can build. You can do a square, a circle, or an oval. You heard me mention Ready to Play. Ready to Play was designed for little hands. It's big, tough, and rugged, and is definitely something that's going to last for a very long time. So if you're looking for a perfect set to put under your Christmas tree this holiday season, or just something for your kids to have fun with, look no further. The Polar Express Ready to Play set is a great set to get you started. So pick up yours today and start creating memories that'll last a lifetime.
Everyone, I'm Olaf. Glide and pivot, and glide and pivot.
That's it, Olaf.